In this video, I'm gonna show you how to send money using TapTap. TapTap is like a money sending app. You can send to any country. So first you're gonna have like these three parts at the bottom: referrals, account. You wanna go to your home, and then you wanna pick the country that you're sending the money to. Let's say I'm gonna send it to Jamaica. I press Jamaica, and let's say I wanna send like $10, which is $1,000 in Jamaica. I press next, and then I add like you need to add the person that you're sending your money to. So add new recipient, and then recipient details. Choose delivery method. Let's say I want to use my bank account. Put in all their information and their bank account number and stuff, and then you just pay it, and then you do all that. Or you could do cash pickup, where you put like their name and you put their phone number, and then after you've done that, you just pay them using your credit card or anything like that. And yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.